Video is Chapter 1, Section 1 of my PhD thesis entitled How Starships Protect and Enhance Civilization, from Rescuing Refugees to Colonizing the Moon and Exploring Mars. So, Chapter 1, Systems Engineering. Section 1, Specifications. Starship is a two-staged, rapidly reusable liquid rocket. Starship is a spaceship mass-produced by the Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, SpaceX. Starship is the most powerful launch vehicle ever developed and has the largest usable payload volume of any space transportation system. Starship is comprised of two stages, one of which is a spaceship, and the other is its booster. Starship's booster stage consists of 33 engines, and its spaceship functions with 9 engines, totaling 42. Starship's spaceship and booster are built separately, then stacked together before launch. So, Starship is rapidly reusable. Starships will eventually be launched 3 times per day, which is over 1,000 flights per year. SpaceX Falcon 9 spacecraft's reusability record is 11 launches and landings of an orbital-class booster. For rapid reusability to be fully achieved, there must be very minimal adjustments in operations performed between Starship flights. If the flight is nominal, Starship is ready to fly again immediately after landing, with 0 refurbishment. Reusable rockets are launched, landed, and relaunched as flight-proven technology. In 2021, 94% of SpaceX's missions were carried out by its fleet of flight-proven orbital class rocket boosters. Reusability is essential for suppressing a vehicle's cost per flight. Imagine what a plane ticket would cost if, every time upon reaching its destination, the airplane was destroyed and a totally new plane had to be constructed. This metaphor aptly depicts the space transportation revolution ushered in by rapidly reusable starships. So Starship is a liquid rocket. Liquid rockets have a higher specific impulse than solid rockets and are capable of being throttled, shut down, and restarted. Only the combustion chamber of a liquid rocket has to withstand the high pressures and temperatures concomitant with combustion. Cooling is performed regeneratively with liquid propellant, and for these reasons and more, Starship is a liquid fuel rocket that employs liquid propellants. So starships are mass-produced spaceships. SpaceX is frequently building new starships and boosters and then attaching them to each other for complete starships. By the end of 2021, SpaceX had built 20 spaceships and 5 rocket boosters. As the decade rolls on, SpaceX will continue to mass-produce starships that are faster and better and cheaper than previous iterations, which is in line with Space Mission Analysis and Design. Asana. That's how you do it. Faster, better, cheaper missions. That's what Starship's all about. Okay. Starship is the most powerful launch vehicle ever developed, capable of hauling over 100 tons into orbit. Starship engines have the highest thrust-to-weight ratio of any engine ever made, with each engine producing 250 metric tons of force. And Starship's thrust metrics will continue to increase with engine improvement. So we went from Raptor 1 to Raptor 2. Raptor 2's whoa. And Raptor 3, whoa. So finally, Starship transports massive payloads. Starship's payload space is 160 square meters, which is the largest usable payload volume of any transportation system. Thus, starships transport payloads with extremely large masses and volumes. The Starship fleet is designed to achieve over 1,000 times more payload to orbit than all other rockets on Earth combined.